What is a bundle on Thinkific and how can you use it to increase sales? Well, a bundle is basically when you package together more than one course or more than one product on your Thinkific platform. So if you go on over to Manage Learning Content and click on Courses, you also have a section up here called Memberships and Bundles. So if you click on Memberships and Bundles, this is where you can see, for instance, I have created a membership academy where I charge people $47 a month to come in and get access to over 40 of my online courses. So basically, if I click on here and show you what a finished one looks like, it takes students to a main landing page, by the way, when we share this with the students. But behind the scenes here, you simply press add a course and you can add all of the courses that you've created that you want to be part of this special bundle. In the settings area, you can create the name of this bundle, create a URL. You can also choose the pricing that you want. So it can be a one-off payment if it's just a special deal that they get for buying more than one course in one go. Or you can create a membership. So this is how I've done my subscription or membership academy. You can put them on a payment plan. So you can see here, I've added a second price where they can pay up front for a whole year and save some money. In the after purchase, you can upsell them and then you can press publish to actually make this go live. On the top right, you build the landing page for this particular bundle. So, for instance, I've got over 40 odd courses in here. On the landing page, it will say, you're going to get 40 courses. It's going to include this, 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 and this. That's what the landing page is for. And it's got the big buy now button on it. So you can check out my other videos on how to create a landing page on Thinkific. So to create one, all you're going to need to do is go into Manage Learning Content, click on Courses, click on Memberships and Bundles, and press Add a New Bundle. When you add a new bundle, give it any name you want. So I'm going to call this Test Name. Create a bundle. And you'll see how easy this is. I know, maybe you're doing a special offer. You want to give people a really special price for buying more than one product from you. You can press simply add a course, go down and choose the course that you want to add another course. If you've got more courses to add, boom, just add that in there. And then simply set your settings, put your thumbnail in there, set your pricing, create your landing page and press publish. Done. That is a bundle on Thinkific and how you set one up to make more sales. I'm Sarah Cordiner. I'm a verified Thinkific expert. If you'd like help setting up your Thinkific account, you can go to sarahcordiner.com/services and I can do all of the hard work for you.